Hey YouTubers, we're back at our favourite spot and we're just going up the mountain and we're going to go to some lagoons and see what's there. There's some lovely waterfalls. I won't give out my location exactly, but we're in Wales and we're in a place called Neath. And it's a beautiful place. Yeah, and what are we going to find, Zack, up the mountain?
Of course.
Pardon?
Big tadpoles.
We're going to look for some tadpoles. There's a lot of tadpoles about at the moment.
Ready for free.
Yeah, and what else is in there?
What? Big tadpoles.
Big tadpoles, and there's some fish in there. I'm pretty sure they're minnows and sticklebacks in this lagoon. So we're going to keep on walking up, and hopefully I've got a better camera with me today. I'm hoping to get an action cam, and I'm teaching myself video editing. So hopefully all the videos will get better, the content will get better. Just to let you know, I love fish, I love reptiles. So I'm planning on making some Aki Monitor care videos and also some fish tank, freshwater, tropical care videos as well. So we're on our way with that, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Please subscribe. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and I'd also love you to just like my videos, comment, criticise. I don't mind. Bear in mind I have children in the videos, but they're very good. See you in a bit.
And Dino.
And Dino, that's our lizard, by the way. Oh, we walk for a bit, yeah? Oh, not yet. What are you going to say to your YouTube fam? Raw Fam, yeah, we're a big fan of Raw Fam. Shout out to that guy. Excellent videos, to be honest. We have a lot of places to explore up here. Seems to lead off just about anywhere and everywhere. These crazy flowers over here. I think that's supposed to be a tree as well. I have to find out what it is. You are? Where's the shrew? Yeah, we found a shrew the other day. Sadly, I didn't have my phone on me. It's quite funny because it was quite defensive. Wouldn't move from its spot. How you doing? You good? It's a bit of a hill up here, isn't it? But we do it. We like going up here. Feel sorry for people that made the concrete road up here, I know that. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Someone broke the yellow brick road. Oh. Do you know what? My son's a trooper, fair play to him. He turned 4 a couple of days ago. And do you know what? He walks everywhere with me. We do a lot of walking, a lot of hiking, and I'll tell you what, for a 4-year-old, he really does push it. So I think we get a lot of trials bike riding around here, and I apologise, I've probably covered my microphone probably more than once already. We'll be getting an action cam in the next couple of weeks, so that'd be great, with some accessories. Come on buddy, you gonna jump it? Massive river here. Massive. So he's gonna do his best to get over, and he's over. Good boy. Ready? Yeah. Come on then, buddy. As you see, they blocked off a lot of the roads up here. Yeah. I'm sweating already. Oh, we go over this way.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
It's easier. Less mess. Oh, can you jump it? Can you jump this little gap here? Would you like me to hold your hand? Super jump! Yeah! Oh. Yeah. You like your Power Rangers, don't you? Where are we? And we're here. At least this is where we love to come and play. Just spend time. Always bring a bit of food and a blanket. So Beautiful streams and waterfalls. As you can see, it goes all the way down there. Should we check out, see what's up there?
No.
Yeah, there's some waterfalls. He's dying to jump in the water already. As you can see, the waterfalls just keep going up and up and up. Again, all the trials bike riding around here.
Huh?
Beautiful butterfly there. Don't think I'm going to get it, am I? Missed it. It didn't land for me. It's always cool to see butterflies and bees and stuff like that. What? Yeah, go in there now, buddy. He honestly couldn't be happier. He has to be in water. We do a lot of